This is super cool.
This I love.
Yes.
This is so trendy right now.
Yes, milk glass is huge. It's a huge fashion trend, and it's here to stay. It's, very nostalgic. This is something from like the 60s, I believe.
But it's also very chic in a modern place.
So nice. Yeah. And what I love is it's an upcycle project. So like, let's say you have all those like leftover Valentine's vases or whatever, any floral vase. This is a great way to upcycle it. So you take your little vase, super easy, and then you can create any designs. Get some puff paint. I like to create like little circles to make some cute little dots on it and decide whatever design you want to do. You can do wood grain, you can do polka dots, you can do flowers, you can do hearts, whatever you feel.
Let's keep it simple. I'm having a hard enough time. I'm struggling with
polka dots. Polka dots works for me, sis.
Mine are a hot
Once you get it on there, you let it dry.
I'm so bad at this. Look, I can't even make a good dot.
Squirt, just squirt it on there. Just a nice little dollop.
People come to me for chicken and burgers.
Fair enough. Fair enough. You gotta know your limits. Once it's done, you really just, I recommend spray painting an outdoor space. And then
you dry it.
Once it's dry, you just give it a nice dust of spray paint like that. Okay, and then you have a beautiful milk glass vase.
Beautiful.
Right? But these are also great ways to give as gifts. I love this pom-pom mirror. You guys, how cute is this?
Look at the pom-pom.
It's so adorable.
So cute.
All right, so the trick here is actually finding these pom-poms. You can find them online. They're actually made of wool, so they're woolen. So they have a bit more of a texture to it. It's not just the cheap ones.
Some of us still go to real brick and mortar stores. Like they have these in their craft stores.
That too.
They have them in like little baggies. Yeah. Big baggie, small baggie.
Support your local craft store, but I just love the felted pom-pom is so much more professional looking. So it gives you that professional grade crafting.
Your nails are far too nice for this. Can you get in there without hurting them?
Yes, girl. These are my DIY nails. These are my tweezers.
All right.
Famous last words, right?
My hands already look like Frodo and they got burns everywhere, so I was just offering to help.
Well, the trick here is actually starting in the inside.
Oh, you see what I mean?
That's all right, girl.
I blew it already.
You know what? Listen, this is the greatest part about hot glue. You can pull this stuff off. If it doesn't work, just pull it off and start over
going.
again. Yes, exactly. So I like to start
all
on the inside.
Around,
all the way around.
Gotcha.
As you build it up, you have that. It's super easy to wipe off or clean. How do you plan on bringing your A game to this challenge?
Our theme is actually a hot dog rocket. Oh. These are the eggs in here.
Buns full of eggs?
Buns full of eggs.
Okay, well listen, one thing I know about you guys is you're excellent at executing a really finished product, and I know that that's gonna be the difference because no matter what, whether your eggs break or don't break, we really wanna see something cool launching into the sky.